Hi, my name is Gemeh from Lofa Consulting. If you are a business owner, if you are in business, I want you to understand that your primary goal for being in business or for creating your own business is to generate a sustainable profit. That is the general principle for being in business or for establishing a business, to generate sustainable profit. Now, what does that mean? When you are in business, let's say, for example, your revenue for this month is $100,000 and your expenditure, your wages, employee wages, yourself, your salary, your overheads, that's your rent, your bills, everything, including your employees, superannuation, everything is paid out of the $100,000. Now, let's say the wages, including the overhead, everything that I just mentioned there, is $60,000. So if it is $60,000, that means your profit for this month is $40,000, right? It's $40,000 profit. Now, that is your primary goal, is to make that profit every month in your business. Now, once you're not making profit, you are just, whatever you make is just for yourself and your employees, but there's no profit, then that means your business is not yet at the level of business. It's just, you're just self-employed at that point in time. However, a business only becomes a business when it starts generating profit. So that is the difference between being an employee and being a business owner. An employee seeks to earn salary or wages, whereas the business owner seeks to earn profit, right? To make profit. That's the ultimate goal of every business owner, to generate enough profit so that the business can remain operational and can remain sustainable. That is the ultimate goal for every business owner. So it's really important as a business owner for you to really understand that and be on top of your expenditure. Very important to know how much is coming out and how much is going. It's very important to know that. I understand in the NDIS marketplace, a lot of providers really struggle to understand their profit margin, their monthly profit margin, or their quarterly profit margin, or their yearly or annually profit margin. I humbly suggest to everyone, each of you, particularly my clients, it's really important for you to sit down and really look at the financials of your business, to really understand whether you're profitable or not profitable. Because sometimes it's not about the revenue, it's not how much money come into your business. It's not about the cash flow. Sometimes you can make enough cash flow, doesn't mean that you're making profit. Some of us make millions of dollars in cash flow coming into the business, but sometimes after you pay everybody, it's like you pay all your expenditure, it's like you left with nothing, and you tend to question yourself to say where the money is going, right? A lot of us went through that process. Sometimes you look at your income for this month, your cash flow for this month is about $1.5 million, or even $700, or $700,000, or $1 million, or $1.5 million. But then after that, when you look at the balance in your account, so hang on a second, what's going on here? Is the money disappearing or what? It's really not disappearing. It's just a matter of you just sitting down and work out your expenditure and then see how much profit you are going to be making. It's important to always focus on your net profit. Your net profit is when you pay everything, wages, your outgoing, superannuation, PAYG, or tax, everything out of it. Whatever is left from that, it's your net profit. This is what we look for as business owner. We look for net profit. My next video is actually going to be on around how to go about calculating your expenses and as well as your profit in percentage, your profit margin in percentage. For example, you can say, okay, I'm making 10% profit, or I'm making 25% profit, or my profit margin right now is just 25%, or my profit margin right now is just 50%. So we need to use the business terminology to really understand that in the financial way. Financial terminology is very important. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you will learn something from this video. And please comment and make some suggestions as well, because I just want to make sure that you guys are being entertained and you guys are learning and you guys are getting a lot of content from me. This is 2025. Let's get our goals achieved. Let's get everything achieved this 2025. Thank you, and I look forward again to uploading another new video.